Recently, I started dropshipping on TikTok shops again after a couple months of break. Unfortunately, earlier this year, I got banned from TikTok shop and it took me forever to come back, but I'm back, baby. I'm smarter and I know what I'm gonna do next in order to make this boat sustainable for a long term, okay? When I first started dropshipping on TikTok shops last year, I was one of the first people that started doing it. And I'm not gonna lie, I was just improvising. I was just trying to do the same stuff I used to do with like eBay dropshipping, on Facebook Marketplace dropshipping. TikTok shop is a little bit different because it's a little bit more stricter. So now when I'm coming back, I'm smarter. I know what I'm gonna do. I know the platform pretty well now. I've talked to their employees. I attended the TikTok event here in Los Angeles. People in my Discord group, Dropshipping Guild, have been dropshipping on TikTok shop for a while now, and I learned a lot from them. There are guys in my group that have been doing this longer than I am, and somehow they survive all the waves of bans because they are very, very safe dropshippers. And in today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to be a safe dropshipper, how to dropship on TikTok shop and never get banned, never get restricted, so that you have this cash cow producing money for you forever. And on top of that, we're gonna talk to my friend Danish, who's the CEO of Foxlister, one of the dropshipping softwares on the market. And I'm gonna ask him from his perspective, from someone that works directly with TikTok and is also dropshipping on TikTok shop and developed a software for TikTok shop, what are the practices that he would recommend as well. Okay, number one issue when it comes to dropshipping on TikTok shop is the shipping time. The official policy of TikTok shop is that you need to send the product within 3 business days, but by the time you're watching this video, it might be actually 2, okay? Supposedly there's a change coming up in June, but they've been kind of delaying it, and I'm not sure if they're gonna push that. When I attended the TikTok event in LA, there was a lot of sellers complaining about that change. They really didn't like the change from 3 to 2 business days processing time, so they might stick to 3, even though they really want you to ship it very fast. With that being said, you cannot dropship from China, okay? If that's what you're thinking, forget about AliExpress and all these other Chinese suppliers because this is not gonna work. You need to find a US based supplier if you live in US that's gonna ship the products very fast, okay? And I know what you're thinking and I know what you guys do. A lot of you guys use Amazon. So basically you have your personal Amazon account and you use it to dropship products. So whenever you got an order on TikTok shop, you go to your Amazon account, order from Amazon and ship to your customers, right? But there's so many problems with that method, okay? Number one, Amazon eventually will shut you down. Amazon doesn't like when you use their Prime service to fulfill somebody else's order, okay? Number two, TikTok announced they're not gonna accept TBA tracking numbers anymore. So TBA tracking number is the tracking number that Amazon is using to fulfill their orders. So you know, like there's FedEx, USPS, right? Amazon had its own thing, and a couple months ago, you could upload that tracking number to TikTok shop and it will be accepted and everything will be fine, right? This is no longer the case. Amazon and TikTok are officially at war. They hate each other, and TikTok announced that they're not gonna accept these TBA tracking numbers. It's actually not TikTok who announced that. It was Amazon saying, hey, we're not gonna share them with TikTok anymore. And TikTok was trying to resolve that issue, but clearly Amazon doesn't want to cooperate with them, so I would stay away from Amazon, period, okay? But there's an alternative that you can use, and that's the alternative that I've been using as well, and that's eBay. eBay has tons of products, and most of them are being shipped very, very fast, okay? They also use USPS tracking number, FedEx tracking number, so all the tracking numbers are accepted by TikTok. And don't get me wrong, now no supplier is perfect. You're gonna run into some big issues with eBay as well. But I've been using eBay for years now as a supplier and it's been working great. No one ever banned me. There's no problems like that. And they have tons of products that are perfect for TikTok shop, okay? So actually on my homepage, you can see the products that I'm dropshipping. I'm dropshipping a lot of like fake jewelry, glasses, phone cases. Those are the products that I sell on my TikTok shop. And there's a couple of reasons why I picked these products, okay? The biggest one is that these are very safe products to dropship. There's no electronics, there's no batteries in them. So if they break or something happens to them, I'm not gonna have a lot of people complaining and they're like, hey, this product is broken, it's not working or something. Also, if you wanna dropship electronics on TikTok shop, you need to get certifications, a lot of permits, and sometimes it might be hard to get them if you're a dropshipper. This is why to sticking like accessories like glasses and phone cases that you can see right here on the screen, it's way easier to sell. Also, look at these prices. Like these glasses right here, for example, they cost $8, actually $8.99, so $9, and I can sell them for $20, $25 on TikTok, okay? And the cool thing about products like that is that nobody really knows how much they cost, okay? So they cost $9 on eBay, but if someone sees them for like 20 on TikTok, then it might be like, maybe, yeah, they cost 20. Nobody really knows how much do they cost. Obviously, if I would charge like 40, $50, that may be a big no-no. That's my might be too much, but like anything from like 10 to 30, I think it's acceptable and people will be okay with buying these type of glasses, okay? They are similar to Ray-Bans, and people that are gonna buy them, they're gonna be looking for something that does look like Ray-Bans, okay? But if you're gonna drop from eBay, here's a couple of things that you need to look at, okay? Number one, check the seller, see how many listings they have and how many sales. So this seller seems like it's a big seller, has 20,000 reviews, which means they probably sold a lot of stuff. And I was not wrong, they have tons of glasses and tons of other products as well. So they are good sellers to pick from, because if they have a lot of products, a lot of sales, that means that they need to ship fast their products because they want to compete with other people on eBay. So that's a good sign. We're looking for big sellers because we know they're gonna ship on time and we're not gonna have any issues with them, okay? Another thing that can help you determine if this is a good product to dropship is like signs like this. 33 people added this in cart. So this is a popular product on eBay. And since it's popular on eBay, it might be popular on TikTok too. That's not always 100% the case, but very often it is. The next thing you want to check is where they located. Okay, so this guy is located in Florida. Perfect. This is what we're looking for. We're looking for someone that's located in US. And then the shipping time, it says estimated June 13, June 17. So that's within the next 5 days. That means that they ship within 3 and the package is delivered within 2 to 5, which is perfect. This is exactly what we're looking for. This is the regulations that TikTok is looking for as well. So this guy might be good. So I would actually save his name and I would try to browse his listings and just try to list them, okay? But another great products that I've been having a lot of success is like phone cases, okay? That's another product that nobody really knows how much they cost. Like this one, for example, is cost 12 bucks. 89 people have this in their cart. That means that's a very popular product. And I can sell this probably on TikTok shop for like 25, 30 bucks, okay? Same thing with the jewelry. Jewelry like this is also a good way to sell it. Again, it costs $7.99, but I can sell it probably for like $25 on TikTok shop because again, nobody really knows how much this product costs. And speaking of products, that brings me to another point that I'm trying to make is TikTok violation system, okay? TikTok is notorious with their violation system and you need to be very careful what you list, okay? So when you look at the products, you want to look for products that are unbranded or are using very unknown brands that nobody knows about it. So this product, for example, is not branded, which is perfect. We don't want anything that's branded, okay? Stay away from big brands, stay away from anything that looks like Disney, stay away from anything that looks like a cheap Chinese copy of something. So for example, the reason being why I got banned earlier this year is because we posted a bag that looked like a fake Gucci bag and TikTok gave me violation points for saying that like I'm trying to sell stolen goods. And I tried to explain them like that's not the case, it was a mistake, but they didn't really buy it. So stay away from anything that's well-known, remarkable, and you don't have permits to sell, okay? Unknown brands or no brands are the best. So you want to pick this type of products because they are safe to use. And also, the more listings you're going to have, liability is going to increase as well. So what I usually do is I list a couple products every day. And then if the products that I listed don't get any sales within the month, we usually remove them. So no sales within 30 days, we remove the listings because we want to reduce the liability and reduce the chance of getting violation points from TikTok because again, that system is automatic. And the violation points come from their automatic system. You might get them and we just want to avoid that as much as possible, okay? So list stuff every day and remove anything that doesn't get a sale within 30 days and just keep adding new stuff. Okay, let's talk to my friend Danish and see what he has to say about dropshipping on TikTok shop safely. Danish, so based on your experience and insights, what can you tell us about staying safe when it comes to dropshipping on TikTok shops?
So, as you know, TikTok Shop raises violation points that potentially hurt your account. The best move is to try and avoid having these violation points automatically put on your account. And I'm going to share with you guys 3 very common mistakes that we see from users that users generally don't know about, right? And we're going to enlighten you right here. The first one is stripping metadata from images that you upload to TikTok Shop. So what is metadata? So metadata is code that's within pictures that eBay and Amazon and a lot of big companies put in their pictures to track various things. If you're downloading those pictures directly and uploading them to TikTok Shop, TikTok's system will automatically flag you and give you violation points. So what you need to do is get rid of that metadata by either taking a screenshot of the image or using Foxlister that removes the metadata for you. And this is super important and very real because TikTok actually told us to do this for all of our users when we officially partnered with them. The next is making sure your categories for each product are correct. So TikTok is very concerned to ensure the safety of their platform, and they really want the right products to go in the right categories. And also, there's something called product certifications. Product certifications is a sophisticated document from your supplier, and as dropshippers, we generally don't have this document. So, you ideally want to list products in a category that doesn't require product certifications. And once again, Fox Lister will help you pick those categories automatically that don't require product certifications so you can go about your day easier. And also, if a category has a requirement of a product certification and it's in TikTok's database, Fox Lister will actually pull it for you and apply it to your account. So these are just 3 ways that we know that are not necessarily out there, but are super helpful to avoid suspension.
So there you have it. Those are the biggest tips that I can give you about dropshipping on TikTok Shop safely so you can do this for years. Again, in our Discord group, we have people that have been doing this for over the year now, such as our legend Moses, for example, who has been killing with TikTok Shop dropshipping. And if you want to talk to people like him, me, and other people that are interested in side hustles, TikTok Shop, Etsy AI stuff, go to the dropshippingguild.com and join our Discord. You're going to get access to a bunch of stuff, bunch of resources, courses, our community, our weekly meetings, and very useful resources as well. And if you're interested in using Fox Lister, I'm going to have a link for it as well down below in the description of this video. But that's all I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed this. I wish you good luck on your dropshipping journey, and I'll see you next time, my friend. Bye.